Hi students, let's review what we need to do in Edgenuity in your language arts course today. So it says, in this lesson you will write rhyming words with the short A sound and use your sight words to write complete sentences. You will also meet the Ross family and revise your comparison paragraph. Ben Swing has a grumpy morning face. What does your morning face look like? Click on the picture to read about the different morning faces. So let's click, and then it goes to, okay. So I think you can click through those and see what these morning faces say. In this lesson, you will read about another family's morning routine. You will also read rhyming words with a short A sound and complete sentences with sight words. Lastly, you will revise your comparison paragraph. All right. So let's go on. I think there should be a button around here. There we go. All right, I think it's still loading. Okay, so this one is phonics, short A rhymes. Do you hear the rhyming words? So watch the video and learn what makes the short A words, okay? So I'm gonna let you guys watch that movie by yourself. And now it's time to play a game. To see how play, click on the directions button. To see how to play, click on the directions button, and to play the game, click on the begin button. In this game, practice matching words that rhyme. So let's just see what this is. So listen to each word. When you think you know which words rhyme, drag the picture into the lid of the treasure box. Okay, so I think this is jab. Jab. Mad. Oh, they have different endings. They don't rhyme. Those rhyme. Okay, so you drag the picture there and then you click on next. Okay, I'm going to let you guys do that activity by yourself. Let's try to, I think we need to close it and then click on the arrow. All right. So some sight words today. Today you'll continue to review sight words. Listen to each sight word. Add the words to your word wall to help you remember. So hopefully you're putting these words up. If you don't have a printer and you can't print them out, you can use the cue cards that I gave you in your supply box. So write these words down and then stick them up on the wall with some tape. So click on the audio button to hear the sight word. So you just click there and then you can click on the word and it is used in a sentence. Okay. So after you do this, make sure you write it down on your card and put it up on your wall. Okay. Find is another one. Hear. Little. Not. Said. To. You. Okay, and those are all of your words. You can print them out down here too, and if you have a printer, and then cut them out and then put them on your word wall. All right, now we have some word work. Okay, so you can play this game. Let's see how this one works. Click on begin. The joke is, and then you have to drag the right one. The joke is away, funny, or yellow. I'm gonna say funny. That is correct. So go click on next to get to the next one. I'm going to click on X because I'm going to let you guys do that. All right. So in this activity, you're going to meet the Ross family. You're going to read the story about the morning in the Ross family home, then answer the questions about the story. So if you click on right here, it will read you all of this, and try to read along with the words as you listen. All right. So you can compare and contrast the Ross family and the Swing family by finding similarities and differences. So just like we found similarities and differences between your family and the Swing family and the United States and China, now you can compare the Ross family and the Swing family. So I think this goes through the Swing family book that we read yesterday. All right, the next activity, you'll find something wrong with each phrase or sentence. They need your help to fix them. Using a paper and pencil, write down how you would fix them. When you are finished, click the answer button to see a possible fix. And you can write this down in your spiral writing notebook. There are many correct answers for these. Click the arrows to move to the next phrase. The bird is in the tree. Is that a complete sentence? How would you make it into a complete sentence? Maybe it needs a verb, an action word. Under the pillow. What's under the pillow? The dog and cat after each other. That doesn't make sense. So go through these and try to fix them up. All right, and now we're going to work on our comparing and contrasting paragraph. So yesterday you should have written 2 sentences about your family compared and you were comparing and contrasting them to the Swing family. Okay, remember the words that are compare and contrast words. So remember, you want to use some of these words: both, also, to, and like. Those are used to compare, okay, similar things. And contrasting words are unlike, but, and while. Okay, so make sure that you use some of those words in your writing when you're comparing and contrasting. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to add a sentence or 2 to your writing today from what you wrote yesterday. Okay? All right. So you can add words, take away words, and change words around to revise your writing. Read the original paragraph and the revised paragraph. So I want you to read this one and then read the revision paragraph. See how she made her paragraph better. Can you do that with your writing? And look at the paragraph you wrote in the last lesson and revise it. The Swing family story is below if you need to reread it. And that is it for your language arts. The only other thing that you have to do for me today is, where is it? Oh, I didn't put it yet, but the short A rhyming flowers, okay? And I'm going to put a movie in there pretty soon, okay? All right, guys. Hope that helps.